Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Remake School. Hope you're all doing great today. As you guys know, we recently did a full album remake of Fallen Embers by Illenium, and it's now available on our website at www.theremakeschool.com. The album contains 13 tracks, which is a mixture of many different genres, mainly melodic bass, future bass, pop, and rock style music. By studying these remakes, you'll not only learn how Illenium creates his music, but also you will be able to level up your production by applying those techniques and ideas into your own songs. Not only that, we're offering you our brand new Illenium sample pack. We made this sample pack while working on the Fallen Embers album remakes. It is going to help you to achieve that emotional and powerful Illenium sound. So make sure you grab it while you can and take your productions to the next level. You can either grab the sample pack separately or get it bundled with the Fallen Embers album remake, whichever way works best for you. Make sure to check out our website. We've got tons of remakes from some of the biggest EDM artists of all time. If you have a song you want us to remake, leave your song request in the comment down below and we'll do our best to bring it to life. Now let's jump straight into this video.